Okay, I wanted to show you how to wire in a trouble an alarm contact on a Faraday mpc-2000. Currently have this little radionics dialer. There's the one. I need to pause it. So right now this is my trouble contact, my green and black. That's my alarm contact, yellow and red. And this is something you see a lot of. You don't see a lot of it anymore. I think it was a good practice back in the day. See how they told you exactly what's going on. See how it says Z1, zone 1, and it tells you that's the alarm, red and yellow, the R and Y. And then tells you where it goes, Faraday panel trouble, relay contacts, black and green, zone 2. So just attach you a little string. You see that all the time, especially on big panels like this. See, there's another one. Man, I think it's a good practice. You don't see it, like I said, anymore. People don't take the time to do that. That was somebody looking out for the next technician. You mean you can tug it across, but I've taken off the panels here. That would let you not have to take off as much. Anyway, the wire comes across the top, comes down, and it was landed on the top two right here, which is O and A, and because the panel was always in trouble, so they normalized it by moving the resistor, which is no. So I got the panel normal, and they kept getting trouble calls, so I checked it out, and the reason they were getting trouble was because this thing was not landed properly. So move it over to A and O, and now it's landed properly for the trouble contact. And as you can see, the panel is normal now. So, okay, gives you an idea of overview of the system itself. And I tested it. I kicked made a trouble by bypassing one of the circuits, metered it, saw that it came in as a short, so put it back normal and went back to seeing its inline resistor. So I landed the wires back, and then I sent signals to the monitoring company to verify that my work was good. So that's that. I'm gonna put it back together now. I gotta do some more programming on it.